Do you recognize the frustration when hard work on a small account doesn't pay off? You have tried numerous strategies without tangible success. This video is for you. Let me share the method that finally worked me and it could change your course too. Today we're gonna start with $56, alright? And let's go with that, guys. Let's go. You are in for a treat. Stick with the video until the end and you'll discover an exclusive surprise, alright? Today we're gonna use Reich Nash candles, guys, and 50 seconds on time frame for that strategy. Okay, that will be with moving average, 2 lines of that, and Supertrend. Okay, so the first line we're gonna use 165. Yeah, that's a great number. EMA, don't forget to change that. That's important. The color is up to you. All right. The second one, 16. EMA, all right, and the second it's white. And now the super trend we're gonna use 13 and 1.3. Okay, I just changed the thickness on that for 3 pixels, and that's good, guys. So for that is Reich Nash, 15 seconds on time frame, and for that expiration it's 1 minute. We're gonna use $56. I'm gonna start with $30. And it's very interesting method. We'll try to spread out all the keywords in detail to get back to you soon, guys. Let's start with that. So, alright, guys, for those that who has interested, the platform resistance link in the description of the video, right? So let's go with that. As for the method, this is one of the best situations. First of all, I like the placement of the Reich Nash candles right here, right now, as you can see. And I noticed that sometimes green candles are also made, but it has no power in the movement of red candle starts again. All right, that's like a zigzag. Okay, as you see, the candles repeated situation several times. I also take into account the fact that the blue line and movement average crossing with the red candles and movement continues down the right direction. We got the super trend. Okay. We got the white line with that, the point was to the downward, okay? And all the signals make me make the decision. Now let's wait for things to develop, and great, guys, look at that. We got our first one, $57.83, and the total for that, and I have the first great win. Remember, it's essential, guys, to know that that is just one of the strategies that could change our path into markets. To go professional, mastering the best of most profitable methods is necessary. Don't worry, though I've prepared two exclusive resources that will be video for Dev Month. Stay tuned at the end of the video. Alright, guys. So here we have the situation is in an uptrend, and this is excellent moment to open position in this an upward direction, as I said. Alright, that's a good one. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Here I always pay attention to the upward trends as the super trends and then what signal which indicator give us. And as you can see, the blue line of the moving average again crossing the green candles. Okay. Or the green candles just passing through the blue line. That is the same. And again, here the white line for 16 that's going up. Moving average crosses the line and super trend and goes in upward direction. Of course, the super trend indicators gives us an upward signal, as I said. And so far the situation here is going quite well and great, as you can see. Okay, we got a good sequence of green candles. 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and the second one, guys, in conversion of win on that, $28, almost 100 in my account right now. Okay, so let's prepare for the next one. Let's go. All right, guys, as you can see, there is a strong down trade here as well. Okay, this gives me the skills that I can already look in the indicators and that are giving me very good signals. All right. For example, one good signal is the blue line of the moving average. That's the first one that is necessary to take a look. That is moving below the candles for that, and the red candles is a dust passing through the blue line. That's a downward direction. Okay. And this is an indication that moving average signals is currently bearish. Okay. Also, the blue line moving average showed me strength of downward trend. We are in on that. We can see the Supertrend red line, the white one almost crossing on that. And as in the previous situation, the white line is moving average, the green on that one. Now touch the blue line and go instead in the downward direction. And look at that, for $8, guys, 120 on my account. As you can see, the moments almost got a loss on this, but even in the minimum amount I went into profits, so that's good results. All right, again we have an uptrend created by large green candles right here, guys. All right, we sometimes have two types, trend movements or up or down movement, but one more fact that makes sense is how strong the candles have in an upward or in a downtrend momentum. Okay, that is how big candles are found and how long this candle move in the same direction. In short, it's very good for this metal and significantly increases the probability of profit we have in an upward or in a downward. For example, with large green candles or large red candles. And this time is all the three indicators giving an upward signal. The blue line, white line, the super trend green one. So I had a situation here and made the decision for that. And see it great. All right.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
And look at that. It's almost there and I won this one, guys. That was so close. Oh my gosh. The candles movements now, this is a downward direction on this currency, but I think I'm done for today, guys. Okay, I will not continue to trade for that. I want to say it again, that metals and the previous and the principle of large candles apply to the upward trend or also applies to the downward trend. All right. Please remember, my videos are not for investment advice and they are educational only. All right, I'm not always giving a recommendation or which people should trade. Everyone has their own choice. Where to invest our money and where to trade is only up to you guys. And I hope you enjoy my videos and learn a lot. I want to say goodbye, have successful trading, and see you guys. So actually right now, I wish you good profit, good operations. Have a good one, guys, and see you on the next live session. Bye bye.